In today's video, I will teach you how to zoom in and out in Photopea. Let's get started. Zooming in and out is an essential feature for working on detailed areas of your images or designs in Photopea. Here's a quick guide on how to use the zoom tool effectively. Select the zoom tool by clicking on the magnifying glass icon in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You can also press the Z key on your keyboard to quickly activate it. Now click anywhere on your image to zoom in. Each click will increase the magnification level. And to zoom out, hold down the Alt key or the Option key on Mac while clicking, and the image will zoom out. You can also zoom with the mouse wheel. Hover your mouse pointer over the area that you want to zoom in on. Now roll the mouse wheel forward to zoom in. Then roll the mouse wheel backwards to zoom out. You can also zoom in and out using keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+ or Command+ on Mac to zoom in. And to zoom out, press Ctrl- or Command- on Mac. And to quickly view the entire image, press Ctrl-0 or Command-0 on Mac. This will fit the entire image to your screen. And to see the image at its actual size or 100% zoom, press Ctrl-1 or Command-1 on Mac. And if you're zoomed in and want to move the image around, hold down the spacebar and drag the image with your mouse. This allows you to pan around without adjusting the zoom level. By using these methods, you can easily zoom in and out in Photopea to work on specific details or view your entire project. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.